Hey dears, welcome back to our new video. This video is specially for the BSc first semester students, and if you are an exam preparer, then definitely watch this full video without skipping it. It will help you to score more. This video, I am going to tell you about applied anatomy and its question distribution and the mark weightage. We have total 10 units and the 4 forms or types of questions. In that, first one is long essay and 3 short essays and very short answers, or finally 6 multiple choice questions, and the maximum score is 37. The question paper is organized like this. One long essays and it have total 10 mark, then short essays, short answers or differentiate between, then the question type is multiple choice question that are total 6 in numbers and total mark is 6. As per the expert advice, long essays may be get one of these following units. I will tell you the units: respiratory system, next digestive system, circulatory and the lymphatic system, musculoskeletal system and the nerve system. Next, short essays. The 3 questions are get from the sections, mostly the following unit, that are first one is respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory and lymphatic system, musculoskeletal system, renal system, reproductive system, and final one is nerve system. Next category of questions are very short answers or differentiate between. This type of questions carry total 2 marks and it will ask from introduction to anatomical terms and organization of the human body. We know that this is the first unit. Next is endocrine system, sensory system, renal system and the nerve system. Multiple choice questions are mostly going to get from introduction to anatomical terms and organization of the human body. Next unit is sensory organs, musculoskeletal system, renal system and the reproductive system. Now I am going to tell you the important questions that are likely to be asked from each unit. The first unit is introduction to anatomical terms and the organization of the human body. From this, mostly you will get short answers or very short answers type of questions. I will give you some of the model questions like mitochondria, cytoplasm, cell structure, again cartilage, body plane, types of connective tissue, classification of tissues, types of muscles with examples. Next is the second unit. The second unit will explain about the respiratory system. Mostly one of the short answers question may be get from this section. However, don't miss on practicing the following questions. First is organs of respiratory system include lungs, right lung, bronchopulmonary segments, larynx, trachea, respiratory muscles, diaphragm. Drawing a neat and clear diagram is mandatory for anatomy exam, so don't forget to learn how to draw the exact diagram. The digestive system is the next unit for the first semester. This is an important unit, so we can expect long essays and short essays from this area. Model questions are: mention the part of digestive system, describe the stomach in detail and what is digestive system, explain about structure of liver, and the questions also is very important, that are mouth, tongue, esophagus, small intestine, duodenum, structure of pancreas, spleen, regions of the abdominal cavity, small intestine, large intestine, gallbladder, salivary glands, muscles of the abdomen. Next unit is about the circulatory system. Here we can expect all type of questions but needs to give priority for long essays and short essays. When you are studying this unit, make sure that you must complete these portions include heart and chambers of heart, surface, borders and blood supply of the heart. Short answers are the composition of blood, blood vessels, major arteries and veins of systemic circulation, blood supply of the heart, valve of the heart, right atrium, right coronary artery, radial artery, lymph nodes, thoracic duct and pericardium. From this, I will give you some 2-mark questions too. First one, arteries, layers of artery, positioning of the heart, differences between arteries and the vein. Next is coronary arteries, arch of aorta, name the branches of external carotid artery. Next is name the branches of abdominal aorta, branches of femoral artery, great saphenous vein, blood supply of pancreas, lymph nodes. Next I am going to tell about the endocrine systems. In endocrine system, we need to study the common endocrine glands and its structure. That means the structure of hypothalamus, pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pancreas and adrenal glands. Now I am going to tell you about the sensory organ, which include the structure of skin, eye, ear, nose and the tongue. In addition to that, vestibular system, lymphatic membrane, inner ear, auditory tube are very important. Next about the skeletal system and the muscular system. This is also an important unit in anatomy. Here we need to study axial and appendicular skeleton, and don't forget to learn different types of bones and their structure, growth and ossification. Joints and the muscles also very important. Next about the renal system. Here you may get the questions like name and the part of excretory system, describe kidney in detail, enumerate the parts of urinary system, and in addition to that describe the gross anatomy of urinary bladder, nephron, adrenal gland, urethra, covering layers of kidney. Let's check which are the important questions in reproductive system. Structure of male reproductive system and the structure of female reproductive systems are very important. Other than that, mammary gland, structure of mammary gland, ovaries, uterus, epididymis, seminiferous tube, male urethra. Then name 4 structures of pelvic cavity, name the part of uterine tube, fallopian tube are also very important. Then next we can check the important questions from the nerve system. So don't forget to learn the structure of neurons, central, autonomic, peripheral nerve system. In addition to that, you must learn the structure of brain, spinal cord, cranial nerves and the spinal nerves including the peripheral nerves. So far we have discussed regarding the applied anatomy, model questions and the mark weightage. I hope it is clear for everyone. If you have any doubt, don't forget to write it in the comment box, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye.